improve his quality, and everybody want to. This is Indonesia, very. The fence is very strange. They want to, because if you want to judge somebody, you give him some time.
Bagaimana kondisi pemain setelah melawan Persebaya?
Bagaimana caranya? Itu datang bareng ke sini.
Habis apa? Setelah apa?
Setelah Persebaya.
Kondisi pemain
Condition of the players after we have some problem. I think the player will be ready. Uncle Sam, the goalkeeper Rashid, and Willy, Ilham. But it's small things. I think everything will be okay.
Ya, katanya ada beberapa masalah kecil, Angko, Ilham, dan lain-lain. Namun dia percaya bahwa ini hal kecil saja, seharusnya tidak ada masalah untuk beberapa hari ke depan.
setelah ini ada libur untuk pemain.
After this, are you gonna give some free days to the player?
Then how will libur? Then libur.
Kapan libur katanya?
Libur maksudnya tidak latihan PSM.
Ya, like no training.
We already have training, and today is Sore is free. Tomorrow we have free, and we're going to have very good training.
Ya,
Tuesday, Monday.
hari ini kita sudah latihan katanya.
Besok is libur.
Besok libur.
But you don't write about that. If you write about that, the other follow. I don't want to write about. They have the other libur. Okay, ada satu hari libur.
Anggapannya setelah Angko mencetak 2 gol di pertandingan malam tadi.
What do you say after Uncle scoring 2 goals?
What we say is improve his quality, and everybody want to. This is Indonesia, very. The fence is very strange. They want to, because if you want to judge somebody, you give him some time, 2, 3, 4, 6 months. Don't judge him after 1-2 games. You give him 70 games. Here people, when you lose 1 game, you are no good. When you win the game, you are the best. How can be? This is not true supporters. If you are true supporters, you see Real Madrid, Barcelona, Manchester. I respect critic. Critic is good for us. But you cannot say that the Messi is no good player, or Pogba is no good player. And one day you say you are the best, the other one is no good. That's the problem. If you are really true fans, you have to give support the players. If players have bad day, maybe but if he's running and working hard, it's okay. We can give them. It's football. You know, it's a momentum. Everybody, it's no individual sport. You know.
Ya, katanya saya tidak mengerti kenapa katanya. Ya, tentu saja saya senang dengan Angko cetak 2 gol. Cuman dari yang saya dengar katanya bahwa Angko sudah dijudge dari 2 pertandingan ini. Kalau memang katanya mereka adalah supporter yang benar-benar mensupport PSM, tidak bisa katanya menjudge seorang pemain hanya dalam 1-2 game.